look a mess, but I just woke up and I had to throw something on because my bed and my frame is outside right now. And my fiance is at work. I just got the picture from Amazon. And that shit look heavy, big as heck. And it's crazy because I thought the bed was supposed to come today, the mattress, and the frame was supposed to come tomorrow. So me and my fiance was talking about it. He was like, dang, so I won't be able to build it till Tuesday because, you know, he works every day. I'm going to be at work. Both of them want them coming today. So it's like, should I wait for my fiance to come? The way those were both freaking heavy as hell, I thought the frame, I'm like, oh, the frame is heavy, but, you know, we can do this. We can do this. This damn mattress. Oh, my gosh. This damn mattress. Oh, everything is a king size. My fiance, he want king size, everything. So, the way my back is hurting, I'm gonna have to take Tylenol. It's nice to see that we got food in the fridge though, even if it's just a little something. And I'm gonna definitely go shopping before my daughter gets here because, you know, we need some snacks and stuff like that for her. She's a tourist. Tourists are greedy as hell. But I got my seasonings. You know, you gotta have the seasoning. The easy liner to go in my cabinets. Because I don't want my, you know, my stuff touching the bare cabinet. Sorry, it was blurry. The phone had something. I'm recording on my phone. I do have a camera that I need to go get out of my car. I don't know why I keep having my camera in my car. But for now, I'm just recording on my phone. Cutting the liner so that it can fit. This is the liner. I'm going to this in here. This is where my spoons and stuff will go. I can put this in here. Like miscellaneous stuff can go in there. These are like the clips. Yeah, miscellaneous stuff can go in there. But yeah, this is a freaking mess. That's why the cart, y'all gonna see, but I really wish that this microwave was above the stove. But like, these people want money. This apartment is out fucking dated. They don't even have a dishwasher. I know you're gonna ask, well, why did you take the apartment? Da-da-da-da-da. Nobody want to spend $5,000 on a 3-bedroom apartment. You know, I have kids. You know, this was convenient for now. Hudson Valley got really expensive over these past years because there's people coming up here willing to pay anything for rent. The people that have been up here, living up here for years, gotta suffer. So, yeah, I gotta clean up this kitchen, but oh yeah, these are cleaning supplies. So, got a lot of cleaning supplies. He had cleaning supplies. I got cleaning supplies. I'm trying to figure out when you move in with your man, your fiance, your husband, whatever, when y'all get y'all place, and y'all already have stuff from each of y'all houses, bro, why do we have 4 of these? I'm trying to organize this cabinet. 1, 2, 3, 4. This, we only need 1. This is ridiculous, y'all. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm about to pass out because this is a lie. Like, what? Why do we need all of this? Why do we need all of this? Little Miss Organizer. These are the things that I got from Amazon. I'm Little Miss Amazon right now, and I got this because the stand that I tried to put together, it didn't fit behind this toilet because this toilet is small as hell. It's small as hell. Don't mind the garbage. That's gonna go out. Yeah, this is for storage. And then I'm gonna also put like a stand that goes in here, that goes in the shower, that I'm gonna put together. Yeah, this is a process. I'm trying to organize everything because it's a little chaotic in here. But yeah, this is the organized. This is how it looks organized. These came with 12. I used 4. Just getting things gradually, so. Because that was looking crazy when I first showed y'all. But now it looks organized. We can find things now.
I found out that Kodak wasn't doing nothing but just chilling on the floor eating chicken. But at the same time, it kind of brought people, I won't say necessarily say